The big square shown in split into four small squares. The circle touches the right side of the square in its midpoint. How big is the side length of the big square? So we have to find. Let me name this as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. And yeah, if you take a center point of the circle, this will be radius. This will be radius. This will be radius. And this will be center O. So now from your diagram, you can see that you have to find the EF. EF is the length of the bigger square. So let me take HJ will be equal to 8 plus R plus R. That will be 2R plus 8. Then HK. They will take it as HG. HG will be half of HJ. Now what is here half of HJ? That will be half of 2R plus 8. That will be R plus 4. Hg will be R plus 4. Then if you take kg will be Hg minus Hk. Hg is R plus 4 minus Hk will be 8. So it will be R minus 4. That will be kg. Now if you take OG will be OK minus kg. That will be OK minus kg. Kg. That will be here again it is R minus of R minus 4. That will be R minus R plus 4. Minus and minus cancel. So OG will be 4. OG will be 4. So now next one you have HG will be equal to EF. HG is equals to EF and GF is equals to HG. HG and GF are same. Therefore, GF will be equal to 4 plus R. 4 plus R as that given here. HG is 4 plus R. Then you have GI equals GF minus IF. That will be 4 plus R minus 6. That will be R minus 2. So GI will be R minus 2. Now, by using Pythagoras theorem, OI square is equals to hypotenuse square is equals to OG square plus GI square. That will be here it is R square equals 4 square plus R minus 2 whole square. If you use the formula, it will be 4 4 is 16 plus will R square plus 4 minus 4R. So R square and R square get cancelled. You get 4R equals 20. So R will be 20 by 4. R will be 5. So R value is 5. Now we have to find that is Hg. Hg is what? It is 8 plus 2R. That will be 8 plus 2 into 5. So it will be 8 plus 10. That will be 8 plus 10 is 18. So the length of the length of the square, big square is 18 centimeter. Is the answer. That is your option. That is your option A.